What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to power off a Samsung device even if it's asking for the password. You know that the new security doesn't let you turn off the device if you, for example, restarted the device, or if, for example, the device is just turned on and you don't have the password and you want to turn it off. I will just show you. If I try to turn the device off, it's asking for the password. As you can see, this is the new security. So in this case I have to replace this charging flex cable because it's broken, so I need the phone to be powered off in order to heat it up and take the back of the phone off. I mean the battery cover, right? So because I don't want to heat the phone while it's on, I need to power it off. Now if I try the normal shutting down procedure, it doesn't work. So what I have to do is hold the volume down button, the home button and the power button. The device will turn off. Keep holding them until you see the screen. Now on this screen you can see that if you press the volume down button, you will cancel this procedure and the phone will restart. So what we have to do is enter in the recovery menu. For that we will have to tap the volume down button, so the phone will restart, but immediately after you tap the volume down button you will have to hold the volume up, the home and the power button in order to boot to the recovery menu, or I think you can also try just the volume up and the home button, but just for us to be sure I will also hold the power button. So I will tap the volume down button and then quickly hold the volume up, home and power button, right? So let's see, volume down and now volume up, home and power button. I can let go of the power button now, and that's it. As you can see, it's booting in the recovery menu. Now we will have to let it boot up. Just leave it like that until the menu will pop up. So once you are in the menu, you can see here down it's the power off switch. So I think you can use the touchscreen to drag down, or you can use the volume down and volume up keys. So just scroll down to where you see power off and select that and just tap the power button once. Now your phone is shut down and you can proceed with the repair or whatever you want to do. Now for example, if you want to power it back on, I think it will boot up in the recovery and it will not boot up normally. So let's power it on. If it powers on normally, then it's no problem, leave it like that. If it's powering on like this in the recovery menu after the power off procedure, let the menu appear again. So you don't have to do anything, just tap the power button because reboot system now it's already selected. So tap the power button and your phone will restart normally. Let's see if it does it. So as you can see guys, the phone is booting up normally. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Cheers.